So now, just as I have said, I am introducing you to the app. My introduction is just giving you the app to use for the design. So you know the app, and the name of the app is called pixellab. So as you can see from the left side of my screen here, right side of my screen here rather, you will see pixellab, and you will see the logo. So just go to Google Play Store and type pixellab and search for pixellab, then download. So after you have it on your phone like this, you launch it. And when it's been launched, this is the default page that will appear when you first launch it on your phone. This is the default page. This is the default template. So it has templates. So these are the templates that comes with the app. So but I've never used the template before. So our major focus for tonight is background. So let's go straight to the background. You delete this. We don't need all the text. So and to change the background, so you come to the. So there are tools. These tools is called the template tool, the circle, the three circle placed on each other at the bottom of the app here of this page. The three circles placed on each other that is highlighted blue is called template tools. Then there is text tools. There's objects or image tools, and there's background tools. This background setup tool, which is the two squares placed on each other, as you can see it there. So the one the icon that looks like wand is used in editing also, as you can see. So now let's go straight to the business. Our business today is change background and text. Now to change the background, just press the two squares placed on each other, and when you press it, you see the features here. You see the background, you see the color, transparent. So just go to transparent. Now no color. So transparent here is no color added. So we are giving it today. Tutorial is based on background and text, as I said. So we are going to indicate one color background, two color background, and then three colors background, then image background. After that, we do background, image background with color mixed. So then we add text. So please follow the tutorial. Now we can change the size of our image, which by pressing the image size. So when you press the image size, it brings us to this page. So you can change the breadth and the height. The one it is now is its aspect ratio is 1:1, which is scale. As you can see now, it is scaled. So but when you change it to be, maybe let's change the height to be 1000. So it's no more squared. It is now rectangle. It's now rectangle. So, and now that it is now rectangle, so let's leave it to the rectangle and then continue our work. So I want to give it color, one color background. Just press the color, then you will see various colors you can add. By pressing, it will quickly indicate. Let's give it this color. That's already been indicated. So, and perhaps the color you are looking for is not here. You can change it. And perhaps the color you are looking for is not here. Just press the plus button, and when you press the plus, it will appear. It will bring the color palette, and when it brings the color palette, you'll be able to adjust the color to your taste. So when you adjust the color, you will see a circle on top of the color palette. So you can drag it to any side, to the color side you want. Let's say I want this color like red. So you can also modify it here to be darker or lighter. So you can choose dark red like this. So you press OK. See, it has changed. So that is one color background. So now 2 colors background. Let's go to 2 colors background. So you press the gradient, and when you press the gradient, so you have different kinds of colors there. So if you see the one you need, you can just pick one. 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 And probably the one you are looking for is not there. You just press the plus button, and when you press the plus button, you have this page, and on this page there is these arrows here, and here. If you follow the video, you realize that something is changing now. Here and here, the right side and the left side. This indicates where to apply the colors. So let's assume you are changing the color at the right side. So you have to press the arrow at the right side to indicate that you are changing the color at the right side. So, and after you have pressed the arrow at the right side to indicate that you are changing the color at the right side, you will press the color sign here, color symbol here. This cup, that looks like cup pouring water. So just press it. And when you press it, it brings you to the same page that, like I said. So it brings you to this page. So you can change the color. Let's give it red down. You press OK. So you press the right arrow to indicate you are changing color for the right side. So you press the color sign too. Let's give this yellow or something like orange. Let's give it orange. So as I said, you can make it darker, you can make it whiter. You can also make it whiter. I mean, darker or lighter or whiter. So you can make it more transparent. But we don't need that. We only want the color to be maybe darker a little bit. Okay. So you have the red and the orange mixed together. So you can adjust it. As I'm adjusting now, you can adjust it. Just press the drag it to which side, and you can also drag it to which side, to any side you like it to be, like the color to be. You can see the color is changing So as I'm dragging this, the color is changing. It can be like this, it can be like this. So after you are done, rather, after you are done, you just press OK. You see, it has been indicated. So the color is now 2 colors background, no more 1 color background. So let's move on. Our next thing to do is we want to indicate 3 colors background. 3 colors background. So you press plus. So when you press plus, you also press plus here. So when you have pressed the plus, it will the arrow here will be increased, and when it is increased, so since it has already been indicated to be in the middle, so you just press the color symbol. Then let's give it color like blue. Then let's make it darker. Yes. You can see now 3 colors background. 3 colors background. So since it is 3 colors background now, so you can add as many colors as possible to make it unique, to make your work unique. You can add colors. As many colors as possible. So now we are done with 1 color, 2 colors, and 3 colors background. Therefore now we want to add image background. So to add image to the background, you scroll here, then you press from gallery. There are different ways to add image. So you can, when you press the image, just the image here, it will bring you to the images that have been stored on the app for use. So if you need any image from the app, just press. But since we don't need image from the app, for the purpose of this tutorial, I would like to give us to add image from my gallery. So just press from gallery. Then after pressing from gallery, it will take you to your gallery where you store your photos. So, and we are adding image to the gallery. Let me add this image. So after I had that image, I can adjust the size here. You see? So you press any of these, maybe 9 by 16, 3 by 2, 4 by 3. So you press it. And when you are pressing it, it will be changing so that, to know the dimension of the image you want to add. So I press 3 by 2. So just to indicate the dimension, 3 by 2. So now the image has been added. You have your image as you now have your image as your background. So now we are done with image background also now. So we want to add image and color background. Image and color. Image plus color. So what do we do? So you come here at the top left corner side, you see a plus sign there. You press the plus. So when you press the plus, you have its options. You see shapes. So when you see shapes, you press the shapes, it will bring out something like this. So this is rectangle.